Is it time for furnace replacement in your Nampa, Idaho home? Has your furnace lost its vim and vigor? Furnaces don't last forever. As they age, they lose their efficiency, especially if they haven't been maintained properly. When it's time to replace your furnace, it's time to consider a high-energy efficient furnace from PEPPY Heating and Cooling, the leading furnace contractor in Nampa, Idaho, and an independent American Standard customer care dealer. Say bye-bye to high heating bills and hello to high comfort when you choose an American Standard high-efficiency furnace. American Standard sets the standard when it comes to high-efficiency gas furnaces. Many are ENERGY STAR rated. A high-efficiency furnace is a great investment because it can save money on your monthly energy bill while increasing your home comfort. We'll put a pep in the step of your Nampa home heating system with a high-quality and high-efficiency furnace by American Standard. We recommend buying the highest efficiency furnace you can afford. You don't have to settle for a less efficient furnace, which will cost more money to operate. Get the PEPPY promise and take advantage of financing options for your new furnace. Ready to upgrade your Nampa home's comfort? A new high-efficiency furnace by American Standard could be the best choice. Get a free consultation today. Call PEPPY at 208-906-6928 today for more information about American Standard heating and air conditioning.